Say his name.
Marvin, stop the third!
Say his name.
Marvin, stop the third!
Collin County's medical examiner announced today the cause and manner of death for Marvin Scott, who died while in custody at the county jail on March 14, 2021. Dr. William Rohr released his findings that shows Mr. Scott's cause of death was fatal acute stress response, as an individual with previously diagnosed schizophrenia during restraint struggle with law enforcement. The manner of death is listed as homicide. Today, what we saw in almost 5 hours of video of Marvin's last moments was repeated opportunities for our higher professionals, for legal professionals, to engage with one of the most vulnerable members of our community, someone suffering from a disability, in a way that they were aware of, in a way that Allen Police Department was aware that Marvin Scott was clearly in a schizophrenic episode, a manic episode. The Collin County jail facility was aware, had records, had access to, and were able to see clearly that Marvin Scott was in mental health distress. There were clear, open signs that even the untrained eye could have observed that Marvin Scott needed help. Instead, he received brutality. Instead, he was maced, he was assaulted, he was restrained, he was treated as someone who was being criminally non-compliant, not as someone in need of desperate help. And as a result of their failure to act, as a result of their failure to take steps that they were trained to take when someone's in mental health distress, Marvin Scott was killed in police custody. And we believe that he was killed not only despite the fact that he was schizophrenic. Marvin Scott was killed because he was schizophrenic and suffering a mental health episode. And as a result, we demand that Greg Willis in this office issue arrest warrants for all the men involved immediately.
My name is Marvin Scott Jr. I'm Marvin D. Scott III's father. I just want to say today was a very, very difficult day. I can say that for sure. After reviewing the video, it took a while to review it. I feel that justice has to be served. It has to be.
Yes.
I feel that the officers involved have to be arrested. That's what I feel. I feel that way. We demand that.